Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet skull granny square, and I used a G hook. You can go up or down on your hook size. I used medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link down below, and also there is a playlist for beginner stitches as well as the magic circle. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to work in the magic ring. If this is your first time, you can find that down below in the description. There is a video for that. So wrap around your fingers, grab the yarn, and create a chain 2 to get started. Then you're going to work 9 double crochet in this magic ring. So yarn over, start your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then you're going to work 8 more, and then you'll have a total of 10, including this chain 2. And then you're going to chain 5, and then work a double crochet in the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, chain 3, and then double crochet in the ring, and then chain 5, and then you're going to pull it closed, and then slip stitch in that first double crochet, then you're going to chain 2, half double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, then you're going to half double crochet in the next 8 stitches, and then you're going to work 6 single crochet in this chain space, yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through both loops, slip stitch into the next space, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, chain 2 and slip stitch, six single crochet in the next space, And then you're going to slip stitch in the beginning stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and then you can add a border. And you can also take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. So in the back you can weave in your ends 2 to 3 times to secure it and hide them. Okay, to add a border you can start, there is the one stitch here, you're going to skip, go into the next stitch and slip stitch, and then you can chain 3, then double crochet in the same stitch, and chain 3, and then 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then double crochet in the next stitch, then half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, then work another 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet, then a double crochet and a half double crochet, then work a half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work 2 double crochet, and then a chain 3 and 2 double crochet, and then a half double crochet, and then 3 single crochet, and then a half double crochet, then 2 double crochet, and then a chain 3, and then 2 double crochet, and then work a half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then double crochet, and then slip stitch into the beginning stitch, and then slip stitch into the chain space, it's going to look like this. And now you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, and work a double crochet, and then work another double crochet, then chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet. And then work your double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the corners. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm going to work a corner, which is 2 double crochet and a chain 3, and then 2 double crochet. And then go across again and work your double crochet in each stitch until you get to the corner again. And then work your corner, which is the 2 double crochet and chain 3 and 2 double crochet. And then just work that across, work the corner, come back to the beginning and slip stitch. Now you're back at the beginning. You can slip stitch into the second double crochet and fasten off, yarn over, pull through. You're going to weave in all of your ends. Well, I hope you enjoyed this crochet skull granny square. The pattern is down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.